I'm across the street.
Okay.
Power level may not
Setting
be
it on defrost or something.
Bang!
Got
Gotcha.
There's no light bulb setting.
Alright, let's go
Alright.
to. Go, I'm running out of battery.
Go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Look at keep on going. It looks really nice, guys.
Oh my.
See?
I'm
Looks like a
scared.
Christmas decoration.
Oh my gosh.
Ow.
Looks pretty cool, huh?
Oh no.
This is so gonna break your microwave.
No. Now the
Hey,
spray
we actually have to
paint,
buy it.
that breaks the microwave.
Ben, quit.
Now it's really good color. You see it? The coloration.
That is a nice color in it too.
Yeah.
Why is it? Oh,
I think it's the heat. The heat causes the
it causes
electricity.
it to rise.
Yeah.
On the bulb.
Very nice. Look at that.
What was that? Crap.
Yeah.
What you said?
It stinks.
I can't smell
I was
anything.
wondering. It must just be your upper
I
lip.
smell Jolly Ranchers and Milky Ways.
Jolly Ranchers and Milky
If it's black, it's look nicer, but it's alright.
Wow.
Can I get closer now?
It's not gonna blow out.
The reason for not getting closer is the
Guys.
radiation that comes from the microwave, not the fact that
I'm
But
getting
is it
back.
I'm not that close.
No, not completely.
Okay.
A lot of microwaves are
Oh,
actually
now I smell
And
it.
this is how
Okay, why
you
don't we
light
use
a light bulb without using electricity.
Ben, that is electricity.
Without a socket.
No, without. This is
Oh, that
basically using
reads.
heat, microwave.
I can't smell anything. Just
How long will it do this?
It will do it until the light bulb.
Okay, well, you know what? That's gonna be boring.
Alright, I'm watching it. I'm gonna watch the video.
This is 250 watts, so it's gonna take a while.
Right. We're here for an hour watching this light bulb. I'm gonna get my
But it will get interesting, like a little bit.
Does it really get
Maybe
interesting?
we should have bought like something less, man. This
Yeah, you should have done a smaller light bulb that
look at this.
glow faster.
Now it's a different color.
Where'd y'all go
Oh,
with
it's
this?
orange.
Orange.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
Why is it so orange?
Yeah.
It's a red light bulb.
Because it's a constant flame.
There you go. What's that fizzing?
Hey, this
Okay,
is
okay. Ow!
Have a move. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna
It's a
break
ghost.
down.
It's a spirit.
I have a feeling something's gonna happen.
Catherine, back up.
Why?
You
We
might
got
have to add a bit more time to it.
Uh oh,
Back
here
up,
goes.
Catherine, back up.
I'm fine.
Here you go.
Back up.
See that plasma? That's
Do
plasma
you have
right
an
there.
add minute button?
Catherine, please back up. I'm
What?
scared.
That hurt my foot.
Oh, wait, no, what are you doing?
Adding.
Oh, yeah, hang on. Good call. I didn't see the time. So now it's really.
I think it died.
Not yet, dude. Not
Why
yet.
is this like a grand?
There you go.
It's like the light show's Kelso.
It made a noise, Caroline. Oh my gosh.
I feel like E.T. is about to land.
ET didn't come from the microwave.
Thank you for your input, Christian.
Hey, don't ruin your microwave now.
No, it's not
It's
gonna.
all
do it.
it's
not
captured
gonna-
inside the light bulb, so.
It's not
It
gonna
just-
do it in the microwave.
It just shot outside of the light bulb, just so you know.
Yeah, what do you got?
That's just not
Exactly.
Is it actually drooping?
Yeah, it's going now. You see.
Okay, okay. I think we should stop it.
No, that's fine.
Okay, I will be over here.
Ben, move.
It's
Yeah.
bad, buddy.
No, you don't have to do it. It will do it by itself.
Is it supposed to do something different soon?
I think
Green!
eventually it's gonna pop,
Eventually it just pops. It doesn't.
and then it will keep on going for a little bit, 30 seconds. But if we stop right now,
A bit more time.
I think the light is still functional to some extent. So you want to stop right now or what?
Why do we need the light to
You
function?
just don't touch it for a while. If you do, I will shank you.
Thank you very much.
Ow.
That's a derogatory term involved.
A shank upon us.
I haven't called that before.
Before or after the E-Trade commercial?
After.
That's too bad.
Yeah.
I know it's too
We
bad
have
that he
gotta
didn't
watch
stick
it.
This,
with
we should have
the
bought like
commercial.
the 60 watts one, you know? This one like is
Sydney, do you like
the
it?
lifetime is too long.
What?
If you
Like
just
on
bought a
the
regular light bulb, it would
Yeah.
blow
I've
up
never
faster.
seen
Faster, yeah.
really all the
Is
way
it gonna blow
through.
up?
I think it's gonna do it.
That's a sin.
Because-
Jonathan, it's gonna
Money
blow up.
python, we don't get
Yes,
that.
come over here. Get over
Yeah, I
here,
don't
guys.
know.
Come over here. It's gonna blow up soon.
I mean, eventually, you know, when you heat everything, it's gonna expand, and if it cannot hold it, then it's gonna blow.
Yeah, I heard it crack.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
always
if you
skip
look
the
at
one that
Bottom of the head,
Galahad.
once it turns around to the front.
If you guys get hurt,
Yeah, that's the
I'm not
See?
gonna
Yeah,
right
there.
You.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't
There's
want to
a
be
crack.
responsible for you guys.
There's a crack.
Okay.
Don't worry, you're not.
How is it gonna go through the microwave? You tell me.
First, you
That's just a
be
piece of
careful.
plastic holding the thing like climbing glass, the microwave.
We should put duct tape on it, but then we put more.
Huh?
It's double plated.
Okay. That makes it okay.
Yes, it does.
Add a few minutes on.
This is getting somewhat monotonous.
It's nerve-wracking but monotonous.
If you're
I
still
think,
sitting and watching,
We're just waiting for that moment,
and
aren't
at
we?
a distance,
Do we need to add more time?
and eating.
I'm gonna watch
Yeah,
it.
eating candy.
I'm always sitting in
Bit-
What
Sorry.
movie?
Incredible.
Incredibles.
Jack, Jack, attack.
Do it already. What the heck is all? We should have bought the cheap one.
Yeah.
But then would your dad kill you to see this?
You are not helping my calc.
One of the times I microwaved an iPod,
I'm not.
it wasn't like that, it was actually just burning.
Oh, oh wow.
Oh, crap! I just had a Reese's peanut butter cup.
Yep.
I
It
think
burned until they.
you know. I think this is a really good light bulb. It's probably
I
won't
have to wash my hands.
Go watch it.
blow.
Yeah. I mean, you don't want to shower.
You guys want to keep on watching?
I want it to.
Let's leave it in there and we'll watch a movie.
No, you did. Were you okay?
No, that's a crack.
Yeah, that's a crack.
You know, if it keeps cracking too much,
What?
it will
That's true. The heat will get out, right?
You're okay for
Ventilate.
a little bit.
heat escapes.
I know my body pretty well by now. Made it a little too easy. Considering we picked up that part.
It looks like it's pretty close to being done.
Whose is this?
Ours. Oh, this is
Yeah, I think the fuse is all messed up now.
See, and Mom won't let me microwave.
He's
these
driving here.
things.
Yeah, of course.
She
I
said
have
Mom
no
won't
idea.
let me do it either.
She still won't let
Do
me.
you think this is it?
He's gonna call me like
Yeah.
30
Okay.
minutes away.
Yeah.
We'll just let it run to 0.
And then try to plug it in.
But if it's exciting in 10 seconds, then we'll keep on going.
Well,
No, it's just
we're gonna get
You're extending a bit close.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
I think we should just put like a half an hour on it just to watch it. And soon we'll find like a hole in the wall.
By then, my microwave would have microwaved my microwave.
Yeah.
Can I do a grape real fast?
Sure. But
Put a
then,
grape in there.
I don't
Put a grape
think-
in there with it.
I don't think we should